Today we're at Disney's Grand Californian Adventure Hotel, and we're going to give you a 2-bedroom suite full tour. Now this is the room as it's been updated in March of 2024. Let's take a look. Now, as you can see, when you come into the room, you'll enter and there's actually a spacious sitting area, full wet bar, coffee maker, refrigerator. Now, of course, this is actually on the concierge level or the veranda club level. And so that actually makes it really convenient to bring back snacks or drinks or sodas, whatever you may be looking for. Now, if you look here, you'll see there's a nice sitting area to socialize, TV, nice couch space. Now, of note, you get a partial park view from this particular room. You can see the back of probably the Jungle Cruise and the Matterhorn. And here's where everybody goes and works their way in. And again, it's actually very quiet, very relaxing. A great way to come back from a busy day at the parks. Now again, here you are back in your lounge area. And the nice thing here is if you are traveling with families, what have you, you actually have this particular room. You can request different configurations. This particular one has one room with 2 queen beds, and you'll notice a closable door. And the other room will be a king bed. So let's take a look over here. So this is the room, the first bedroom with 2 queen beds. Again, very comfortable. We'll show you the bathroom area. Comfortable, clean, nice shower, all modern with rainfall shower. And you'll see there's thoughtful artwork here too, as is true for much of the Grand Californian and the craftsman style, evocative of the 20s in California. You'll see, some thoughtful art, and if you look more closely, you'll see, of course, a few friends that I think you'll all recognize. Now, again here, nice coat hooks if it's a bit chilly, and 2 comfortable beds, 2 queen beds, a couch, an area to do some work, another refrigerator, another coffee maker. Let's take a look and see what's in the closets. So far, nothing, but soon there will be something. A safe, extra blanket, slippers, which are always nice after a long day at the parks. We'll just take another look here. Again, another TV, another bed. Again, you'll note these are 2 queens, so great for families or children or whoever, but certainly suitable for adults. Now again, a nice quiet view here. You'll see our other terrace from over there, which I think is super fun, super cool. And here you get a good idea of the view. Now we'll take a look at some of the art. Right here you'll find, again, art evocative of the area of, in fact, what made Orange County, of old citrus farms, which I think is a really fun touch, a nice touch. And here you'll find sort of, I believe that this piece is probably, evocative of the foundings of Disney World and the like. And so now we're gonna go back through the main area here, and we'll show you, again, this is the lounge area, the shared family area. And again, the second bedroom here that we're gonna go into also has doors that close. So you have privacy between the 2 bedrooms, which is nice. Now this is this king room is beautiful. Again, here you'll see the nice fresco and the sort of reliefs carved in the bedside stands here with Chip and Dale. Even in the light fixtures, you'll find nods to the history of the area, to Orange County, which I think is just a neat thing. Another desk if you need to do some work. And finally, our final terrace. And again, a great breeze, just a nice place to sit outside and enjoy yourself. And here you can see, you know, you could have a coffee out here, have a little breakfast, whatever you're looking for. Again, a big, spacious, and this room is 1 king. So we're getting close to, let's see, have we touched everything? I think just about. Take a look in the closets. Nice, comfortable closet space. Extra pillow, blanket, and of course, Grand Californian robe. And the bathrooms, you know, again, nicely appointed, very comfortable. Double sinks with a succulent plant. And again, our friends Chip and Dale, and a rain shower here. So I think you're going to really enjoy it. Really eager to hear your feedback on it, and hope that this is helpful as you look to plan your next trip to Disneyland. Grand Californian, couldn't have nicer people, great location, and great people. Again, you know, you have a total of 3 terraces. You have, what do you call it, 2 bedrooms, each with their own doors that shut for privacy purposes. Again, if you go back to the double queen room, you'll find, again, doors that shut, super comfortable. You know, it's really the next level, and a great way for families to spend time together. I should also note, in the lounge area, the couch actually does fold out to be another queen bedroom. So really, again, here, you know, you'll see our friends Chip and Dale here between the beds, which is just a nice carrying of the themes throughout the room, throughout the resort, the refrigerator and all of that. And you'll see our doors just keep flying open. So again, here you could set this up as an additional sleeping area if you wanted, and it can be converted nightly by the housekeeping team, really depending on what you're looking for. But lots of areas to visit together, and then to have a little bit of privacy, which, you know, is really nice for families. So thanks for watching. Love to hear your comments, and appreciate you.